Hello and welcome to Parinama Academy. I am Vignesh Parameswaran and I am here to teach you Raspberry Pi Sense Hat using Python. In this part 2, we are going to assemble Raspberry Pi Sense Hat and the SD card where we just downloaded Raspbian. So keep in the SD card where we downloaded micro SD card where we downloaded Raspbian handy, and then bring your Raspberry Pi and Sense Hat. So what we are going to do now is we are going to we are going to attach this SD card onto this SD card slot which is provided right at the back of the board, and then we are going to assemble this Sense Hat. You see this 40 pin GPIO Sense Hat has 40 pins ports, so we're going to connect these two, make sure you align them, and then gentle push. That's it, gentle push. And so now you have Raspberry Pi with Sense Hat and your SD card where your operating system is installed, right? So you can connect to HDMI cable, and then you can connect your wired keyboard and mouse to these ports. And if you need internet, you can connect to Ethernet port, or we will be using Wi-Fi, right? Once you connect your HDMI, the USB wired mouse and the keyboard and the Ethernet, or will wait for the Wi-Fi, you can plug the power to Raspberry Pi. So how do you do that? You see the one to the left of HDMI, that is the power input. So we're going to connect our 2.5 amps power to this. So once we connect, see what happens. The Sense Hat lights up, right? I hope you are able to see those colors in the Sense Hat, and this setup is ready, so we can start coding soon. So connect your SD card to your Raspberry Pi, connect this, so it goes off after a few seconds, which is good. And then connect your wired keyboard and mouse and connect the HDMI cable to your monitor. And after that, once you do all that, then connect the power source, right? Or else you can buy this kit, which I will put the links in the description below, where you can just attach the board to the back, and this is your screen and monitor. I'll show you how it is done once we are in the actual section, right? And with this, we are going to stop this particular lecture. Go on, take the next one, which will be start coding the messages in the Sense Hat. Thank you for watching, and this is Vignesh with Parinama Academy. See you in the next lecture.